Now the next question is integral of x square divided by 2 plus 3x cube the whole cube times dx. Okay. So here listen to the idea. The idea is integration, our job is to eliminate the denominator. First is eliminate the denominator. The second is you need to substitute a function as t, right? You need to understand which function to be substituted as t. Here the idea is, look at the degree of the function in the denominator. It is a third degree, and the function in the numerator, the degree of the function in the numerator is second degree. So from a third degree, if you need a second degree function, you need to differentiate. So that is the idea. Right? Only when you differentiate an algebraic function to the power of n, x power n, you will get a function which is 1 degree less than that, because nx power n minus 1 will come. So having said that, you need to substitute this 2 plus 3x cube as t. So when we do this, if we start differentiating with respect to t on both the sides, you will get 0 plus 3x cube derivative is 9x square times dx divided by dt is equal to derivative of t is 1. So all I need is x square dx. So I am having x square dx this side. So x square dx will be equal to, this dt will go to the other side, it will become dt, and the 9 will come to the other side, so it will become dt divided by 9. So x square dx, that is the numerator, can be replaced with dt by 9, and the denominator 2 plus 3x cube and x cube can be replaced with t, so it becomes t cube. So the whole question gets converted to the format integral of dt divided by 9, the whole divided by t cube. So 1 by 9 can be taken outside. 1 by 9 into integral of dt divided by t cube is equal to 1 by 9 into, so 1 by t cube can be written as t power minus 3, right? So on integrating this t power minus 3, you will get t power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, right? So this is going to give you t power minus 2, the whole divided by minus 2, right? So this minus 2 will get multiplied with 9 in the denominator. So you will have minus 1 divided by 18 into 1 divided by t square. Reason, t power minus 2 is 1 by t square, right? Plus c. Now substituting back the value of t, you will get minus 1 by 18 into 1 divided by 2 plus the whole square plus c, right? So this will be the final answer.